Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. By default, WordPress don't let you upload very large size files. You can check the default size by hovering onto media and then clicking on add new. Now at the end of the screen you can see that the maximum upload file size is set to 64 MB. In some cases it might be 128 or even larger. So you can upload the files whose maximum file size is till 64 MB. Now what if you want to upload a file whose size is more than that, for example if it's 1 GB. So in this video tutorial you'll learn how to increase this maximum file upload size in WordPress. So log into your cPanel. Now search for PHP version. Click on select PHP version. Now here you will find various PHP extensions. In the top, click on the options tab. Now we have to make changes on this page. So first search for max execution time. Now set the memory limit. I am setting max execution time at 1500. And the memory limit at 1 GB. Then set upload max file size as per your own requirement. Now once it's done, you can see a message indicating on the top right that changes are saved successfully. Now let's move to our WordPress dashboard, and as you can see that the maximum file upload size is set to 1 GB now. So this is how you can easily increase the default file size in WordPress website. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers. These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.